What's up, everybody? Hopefully everyone is doing well. We got a little bit of a upward swing in the metals market, but not enough to bring everyone's focus and attention back to the metals. Again, it's been extremely quiet out there in the precious metals community lately. And I understand why. Some bought at all-time highs and could not time the sale properly, and they have to now hold that metal at the lows. And then you have others that bought on the way up, seeing the prices correct aggressively, and then they panic sold, securing a permanent loss. I want to address buying and selling in this community. There's a lot of hype when it comes to buying. That's why you bought to begin with. And that's why now you're quiet and you don't want to share your journey and your story on how buying did not work out for you. I get it. I'll spare you the embarrassment. The best time to buy is when prices are going down. When people say metals are dead and no one wants to touch it. When you see no price movement. That's the best time to buy. If you're not buying when prices are going down, when are you buying? If you're buying when prices are going up, yes, that is a problem. That is a problem. I understand there's many ways to build out a physical holding, and there's many things you can do when it comes to metals. But if you're trying to build this out, assuming the least risk as possible, getting more metals for your money, do not get caught up in the hype of buy, buy, buy. I buy all year round. But some of these other people don't even own their metals. And some of these other individuals that's telling you to buy, they're not being upfront with you. They're not really buying. They may just only want your money. But you're trying to build out a stack because maybe you're saving, you're hedging, you want to store value, whatever the reason is, you should be buying when the prices are going down, when no one loves the metal. You should be buying when metals are laying in the coffin and people think it would never resurrect. If you have a schedule, stick to your schedule. If you need to sell, I understand. Things can happen. Remember, freedom, power. That's what physical metals bring you. You sell when you want to sell. You buy when you want to buy. But do it wisely if you want this to work out for your benefit. So we have a little bit of an upswing in the market. Something to bat your eye to. We obviously are not going to break all-time highs overnight, but that's okay. This is a slow patience game. Test yourself, learn yourself. Metals are going to do its thing. You need to do your thing and teach yourself patience, understanding, and understand how metals function. There's history out there that tells you how volatile metals can be when you see these huge upswings to the upside. Learn the history. Metals can help you. It can aid you. It can also change your life. Again, metals can help you. It can aid you. But it can also change your life. If you want to stack, stack right, stack wise, and buy when the prices are going down. Stay motivated, stay dedicated, and keep hustling. Peace.